Well, good morning, guys. This is kind of like take 5, or maybe I don't know how much it takes I did for this thing. So I got a new power supply because you kind of see in that other video, it's all chopped up, and you didn't really see the power supply. I got an EVGA 600 watt power supply. It lasted not even an hour before it kind of crapped out. So this is a fully 550 watt. I put my power list on PC Part Picker, and I only came, even if I added GTX 1080, I'm still only at 450 watts, even with the liquid CPU cooler and everything like that, and the fans. So I'm thinking, give myself 100 watts, space. So we got a Corsair 550 watt power supply. So let's get installed in this thing. Rip off the back case. Okay. And yeah, I know this hard drive is like this, but for some reason I can't figure out how to get it into these slots. It's almost like it's not big enough. Now this one I kind of just haphazardly put it together. So there's that one. All I got to do is probably pull these ones. Big motherboard power supply. Oops, that was a big yank. These stupid things. Now, the next thing I want to try to figure out is these wires. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do, but they are kind of bothering me to a point. That back there, maybe. Yeah, that'll work. It's just the wires and case fan crap. Now, this is something I want to look at. This one's not going in too very easily. We didn't have that thing backwards, but that thing is like just loose in there. But what are you gonna do? I'm the one that designed it. All right, the next step is getting that old thing out. Oh. Oh. That seems about right. It's kind of funny because now that I've done this so many times, parents are building an office upstairs, and they don't know what kind of desktop to get, and I'm like, you know what? Let me just build one. Like, it's dead serious. You know, after learning about this one, I've done it in college a couple times, but you know, you don't really learn until you actually get your hands on your own computer with your own components, own hardware, and start ripping stuff apart. So, I should just give it a old yank. Alright, now for the prime and glory. And I figured this whole computer's Corsair, why not spend the extra money and get a Corsair? I'm kind of done playing with, you know, I mean, I'm sure this, you know, people have their bad luck, but not me. Alright, hopefully I can not do it like I did last time and just tear this thing apart. First open it up, you got your safety information. Do not stick finger on bare motherboard, because you know that kind of hurts. Yeah, because you know we got rid of Verizon. We got a local company that supplies fiber optic. I'm not going to say the company name because I don't want you to figure out where I live. You probably could easily figure it out if I said it. Router there, Linksys AC1900, freaking beast of a router. I thought I was going to have to put a Wi-Fi repeater in upstairs, but we don't need it. That thing is a freaking beast. So, I just shut my closet so you can see my mess inside there. Power supply goes up, out, and out to the pole. So that's a beast of internet. 100 megabytes up and down, all day, every day, freaking just blazing through everything. On Black Ops, I am like, and they even gave you cable ties. Sweet. This is probably all the glory cables. The only thing I'm going to need is probably those 8-pin connectors. Power cord, that kind of helps. Just drops it. Oops. Minor detail. Yeah, that is a huge fan. Holy Christ. And the one thing you clean off, it's a dust filter, but Well, guys, thank you for watching this kind of video series with the HPN we can build, or the Corsair Carbide series build. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. Everything I did I fast forwarded, or else it'd take hours, because you know what, I just take my time and I'm solid doing that kind of stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching, have a good one, and see how long this takes to upload. Sweet.